Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure basic power and contact points are ready. First, unplug everything and remove earphones from the case. Use a soft brush or cotton swab to clear lint from the case and bud contacts so charging can occur. Then test the cable and adapter on a phone or lamp to confirm the outlet and cable work. Once done, closely inspect the case's charging pins and port for corrosion or bent pins. Note any visible damage before proceeding. Now you'll clean, reset, and make a controlled test. Dip a swab in 70% isopropyl and gently wipe the case contacts and bud connectors. Let them air for 2 to 3 minutes to evaporate. After cleaning, perform the soft reset your manual describes, typically pressing and holding the case or bud button for 10 to 15 seconds until LEDs flash, which clears firmware hiccups. Then firmly reseat the buds in the case and reconnect using the original cable and a known good adapter to confirm charging. Finish by isolating remaining variables and deciding next steps. Try a wireless charging pad or a different USB port on a computer to determine whether the adapter or case is the issue. If the buds still don't charge, consider replacing the charging case or contacting support for repair or warranty service. Make sure to record LED patterns and behavior, that diagnostic detail, plus attempting a firmware update through the manufacturer app is the single most useful troubleshooting tip if you must escalate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.